got 2 new puppies. Shit, it's the big boy I was trying to show y'all the other day. Big girl. We got 2 new pups. So I'm gonna do the morning release. It's kind of windy though. I don't know. I don't know if I should release them. It's fucking windy as hell. Look at my babies. Look at my babies, man. They getting big. My baby's getting big, man. Probably not gonna release them yet, man, folks. It's a little too windy. Shit, look at them now. They chilling, man. Man, fuck it. Let's see if y'all want to fly for a little bit. It's a little windy. Only 2 of y'all see shit. Only 2 of the birds came out. Hell, what is a bitch? That motherfucker can't even hit nothing. Y'all finna go out? Y'all chilling? Oh, there go my baby. What's up? Hit that. Oh, they all out there. Look at that. Be careful, son. Don't step on that. Now watch out, son.